January 9, 2026. Western Pacific Ocean, 220 nautical miles east of Guam. 3:42 a.m. local time. U.S. Navy submarine USS Connecticut Virginia-class attack submarine. Routine patrol. Strategic location. First island chain. Critical choke point. Chinese naval expansion monitored. Presence maintained. Deterrence active. Sonar contact. Unusual signature. Not surface vessel. Not submarine traditional. Something different. Something new. Something dangerous. Analysis begins. Classification. Unknown. Acoustic profile. Unmapped. Movement patterns. Autonomous. This is discovery moment. This is intelligence goldmine. This is threat assessment critical. Target identified. Chinese underwater autonomous vehicle. Unmanned. AI controlled. Mission. Surveillance. Submarine route mapping. U.S. Navy tracking. Operational patterns documented. Strategic intelligence collected. Years of data potentially. This is espionage. This is technological challenge. This is national security threat. 4-hour silent hunt begins. Navy SHIELD reveals the operation that destroyed Chinese underwater surveillance. The intelligence background. Chinese underwater drone program. Known existence. Limited details. Development. Decade-long. Technology. Advancing rapidly. Investment. Billions annually. Objectives. Multiple. Map ocean floor. Track U.S. submarines. Mine-laying capability. Anti-submarine warfare. Network node. Seabed surveillance. This is underwater domain awareness. This is strategic competition. This is 21st century naval warfare. Previous encounters, suspected but unconfirmed. Anomalous sonar contacts. South China Sea. Philippine Sea. East China Sea. Western Pacific. Pattern emerging. But, verification difficult. Stealthy design. Small acoustic signature. Deep water operations. Visual confirmation. Nearly impossible. This is underwater hide and seek. This is technical challenge. This is intelligence gap. This contact, different. Closer range. Better conditions. Water temperature. Salinity. Sound propagation optimal. USS Connecticut sensors. Best available. ANBQQ-10 sonar. Fiber optic towed array. Wide aperture array. Hull-mounted spherical. Complete acoustic picture. This is technological advantage. This is detection capability. This is American superiority. Drone specifications estimated. Length 10 meters. Diameter 1 meter. Displacement 5 tons. Propulsion, battery electric. Pump jet likely. Silent operation. Speed, 5 knots cruise. 12 knots maximum. Depth, 800 meters operational. 200 meters maximum tested. Endurance, 60 days estimated. Range, 3,000 plus nautical miles. Autonomous operation. AI navigation. No human control needed. This is advanced technology. This is peer competitor capability. This is Chinese development impressive. Sensors estimated. Side scan sonar. Seabed mapping. Acoustic arrays. Submarine detection. Magnetometer. Metal detection. Cameras. Visual documentation. Communications. Satellite uplink. Data transmission. Real-time reporting. Mission updates. This is comprehensive surveillance. This is intelligence collection. This is espionage platform. Mission profile. Map U.S. submarine routes, transit corridors, patrol patterns, operating depths, acoustic signatures, tactical procedures, everything documented. Years of operations, hundreds of transits. Intelligence value, immeasurable. Chinese anti-submarine warfare, planning advantage, tactical superiority potentially. This is strategic threat. This is must be stopped. This is why action required. According to Pacific Fleet Intelligence, Chinese UUV program, most significant underwater threat, unmanned, persistent, difficult detect, intelligence collection, operational advantage, countermeasures, essential. This contact, opportunity, capture or destroy, either acceptable. Captain decision, track, analyze, destroy, intelligence opportunity, technology assessment, threat elimination, all objectives achievable, mission, authorized, crew, ready. This is submarine warfare, this is silent service, this is American excellence. One Chinese drone, 800 meters depth, 3:42 a.m. Comment if you'd hunt this target. Hour 1, tracking phase begins. USS Connecticut, silent approach, Virginia-class stealth, anechoic tiles, sound absorption, pump jet propulsion, minimal noise, quietest submarine worldwide, Chinese drone, unaware, no defensive systems, no evasion capability, pure intelligence platform, vulnerable to hunter. This is predator-prey. This is underwater stalking. This is submarine art. Sonar analysis, contact bearing 045 degrees, range 8 nautical miles, depth 750 meters, speed 6 knots, course 270 degrees westbound, heading toward Mariana Trench, deep water operations, seabed mapping possibly, submarine patrol area definitely. This is Chinese intelligence. This is surveillance mission. This is espionage confirmed. Acoustic signature, detailed analysis, propulsion, electric motor, quiet but detectable, pump jet, confirmed, blade rate measured, machinery noise, minimal, cavitation, none, depth appropriate, flow noise, low, hydrodynamic design, streamlined efficient. This is professional engineering, this is peer technology, this is Chinese capability real. U.S. Navy database, no match, new design, previously unknown, intelligence value, high, Pentagon notification, immediate, Pacific Fleet, alerted, CNO Chief Naval Operations, briefed, National Security Council, informed, presidential awareness, confirmed. This is strategic intelligence. This is technology threat. This is priority 1. Decision, close range, detailed examination, photographic intelligence, acoustic recording, complete data collection. Then, destroy, eliminate threat, deny Chinese intelligence, protect American operations. This is dual mission. This is intelligence plus action. This is submarine warfare complexity. Approach phase, USS Connecticut, turns toward contact. Speed, matching target, 6 knots. Distance, closing slowly. 8 nautical miles, 7 miles, 6 miles, 5 miles. Depth, matching, 750 meters. Formation, trailing, behind target, baffles area, sonar blind spot, undetectable position. This is tactical advantage. This is submarine expertise. This is hunter positioning. Navy SHIELD tracks real undersea warfare operations. Who controls underwater domain? A. U.S. Navy submarine. B. Chinese AI drone. C. Pacific Ocean. Drop your vote. Hour 2, 5:42 a.m. Close approach complete. Range 1 nautical mile, 2,000 yards. Depth 750 meters. Lighting none. Darkness absolute. Pressure 75 atmospheres. 100 psi. Environment extreme. But USS Connecticut designed for this. Hull HY100 steel. Crush depth classified exceeds 1,600 feet. Safe margin comfortable. Crew experienced. Deep operations routine. This is submarine element. This is underwater expertise. Photographic intelligence, photonics mast. Extended carefully. Cameras, low light, infrared, high resolution. Target, illuminated. Active sonar pulse. Brief, controlled. Chinese drone, revealed. Images, captured. Design, analyzed. Hull, cylindrical. Nose, rounded. Propulsor, shrouded. Control surfaces, minimal. Sensors, multiple. Cameras, sonar domes. Antenna, retractable. This is intelligence collection. This is visual confirmation. This is technology assessment. Transmission, secure satellite. Encrypted communications. Images, uploaded, real time. Pentagon, receiving. Intelligence analysts, examining. Design Bureau, identified. Technology level, assessed. Threat capability, evaluated. This is information warfare. This is intelligence advantage. This is American capability. Analysis results, Chinese drone. Type 096 HSU-001. First confirmed sighting. Production, estimated 20+ units. Deployment, Western Pacific, Indian Ocean, South China Sea. Global operations. Mission, long-term surveillance. Data collection, years accumulated. Intelligence value, enormous. Threat level, significant. Elimination, authorized. Destruction, proceed. But wait for the technical challenge that nearly escaped destruction. Hour 3, 6:42 a.m., destruction phase begins. Weapon selection, Mk-48 ADCAP torpedo. Advanced capability, wire-guided. Active, passive homing. Warhead, 295 kilograms. High explosive, sufficient overkill. Target, 5 tons. Torpedo, designed sink 50,000-ton ships. This is overwhelming force. This is certain kill. Problem identified, Chinese drone. Depth 800 meters, descending slowly. Target, 1,000 meters possibly. Crush depth, USS Connecticut, classified. But, approaching limits. Torpedo, maximum depth, 800 meters operational. 200 meters absolute. But, effectiveness degrades. Pressure effects. Guidance systems. Reliability questions. This is technical challenge. This is tactical complication. Decision, engage now. Current depth, optimal conditions. Torpedo launch, authorized. Tube 1, flooded. Outer door, open. Mk-48, ready. Target solution, computed. Range, 2,000 yards. Bearing, 045. Depth, 800 meters. Course, 270. Speed, 6 knots. Fire control, set. Launching. Torpedo away, water ram, compressed air. Mk-48, expelled. Engine start, electric motor. Auto fuel piston, 40+ knots. Acceleration, rapid. Wire guidance, active. Course corrections. Target updates, real-time control. This is precision weapon. This is submarine primary armament. This is American technology. Chinese drone, detects torpedo. Acoustic signature, incoming threat. Response, evasive maneuvers. Speed increase, 12 knots maximum. Depth change, descending rapidly. 850 meters, 900 meters, 950 meters. Evasion program, sophisticated. AI controlled, pre-programmed. Survival priority. This is autonomous defense. This is machine intelligence. This is peer technology. Mk-48 response, wire guidance, manual override, course adjustment, speed increase, 55 knots, maximum pursuit, depth following, 900 meters, 950 meters, 1,000 meters, approaching limits. But, functioning, chasing, closing, gap, narrowing, 1,500 yards, 1,000 yards, 500 yards. Terminal phase, active sonar, homing beacon, target acquired, locked, impact, imminent. Justified destruction or provocation? Comment J for justified, W for wrong. Hour 4, 7:42 a.m. Impact, Mk-48 warhead, 295 kilograms high explosive. Detonation, 1,020 meters depth. Pressure, 100+ atmospheres. Underwater explosion, shockwave, enormous. Expanding sphere, compression, rarefaction. Bubble pulse, secondary wave. This is underwater physics. This is destructive force. This is terminal effect. Chinese drone, direct hit. Hull breached. Pressure flooding, implosion, structural collapse, total destruction. Debris, sinking, fragments, shattered equipment, optical fibers, circuit boards, batteries, sensors, everything destroyed. Evidence, minimal. Reconstruction, impossible. Intelligence loss, complete Chinese. Intelligence gain, significant American. This is operational success. This is strategic victory. Acoustic confirmation, explosion detected. Characteristic signature, high explosive detonation. Breakup sounds, mechanical failure, pressure crushing, debris field, settling bottom. Target, Destroyed confirmed. Mission, success. Threat, eliminated. This is submarine warfare. This is silent kill. This is professional execution. USS Connecticut, withdraws, silent departure. Course, classified. Speed, quiet transit. Depth, deep water. Stealth, maximum. Detection, none. Chinese awareness, unknown. Drone loss, possibly noticed. Communication ceased. Mission incomplete. But, cause unknown. Equipment failure. U.S. action, ambiguous. Deniability, maintained. This is underwater advantage. This is submarine superiority. This is strategic domain. Debris recovery, not attempted. Depth, excessive. 3,300 plus feet. Technology, limited. Risk, high. Exposure, certain. Better, leave wreckage. Ocean floor, pressure, corrosion. Time, natural destruction. This is operational security. This is mission cleanup. This is professional thoroughness. Mission complete. 4 hours. Detection to destruction. Chinese surveillance, ended. Intelligence collection, stopped. Threat, neutralized. Technology, assessed. Capabilities, documented. American advantage, maintained. This is submarine excellence. This is underwater warfare. This is U.S. Navy dominance. According to Submarine Force Commander, perfect mission execution, detection, tracking, analysis, destruction, intelligence collected, threat eliminated, crew professional, technology superior. This is why we maintain submarine force. This is undersea dominance proven. The numbers that secure Pacific: 4 hours mission duration. 1 Chinese drone destroyed. 1,020 meters destruction depth. 295 kilograms explosive. 10 meters target length. 800 meters operational depth. 0 detection Chinese. 0 casualties friendly. 100% mission success. Strategic intelligence, collected. Underwater surveillance, eliminated. Pacific security, enhanced. The technology assessment, critical. Chinese UUV capability, advanced significantly. Design, professional. Propulsion, efficient. Sensors, comprehensive. Autonomy, impressive. AI control, sophisticated. Endurance, extended. This is peer competition. This is technology race. This is strategic challenge. But, vulnerabilities identified. Acoustic signature. Detectable U.S. sensors. Evasion capability, limited. Defensive systems, none. Survivability, questioned. This is weakness exploited. This is American advantage. This is why investment matters. Comparison assessment. U.S. Navy UUV program. Orca XL UUV. Extra large unmanned. Boeing manufactured. Length 26 meters. Displacement 50 plus tons. Endurance 90 plus days. Range 6,500 nautical miles. Payload modular. Sensors, weapons, mines, intelligence. This is capability comparable. This is competitive technology. This is American development. But, submarine force primary, manned submarines, Virginia-class, Seawolf-class, Los Angeles-class, 50-plus boats, nuclear-powered, unlimited endurance, global reach. This is decisive advantage. This is platform superiority. This is American dominance sustained. The strategic implications. Pacific. This destruction sends message. Chinese underwater surveillance, vulnerable. U.S. detection capability, superior. Countermeasures, effective. Submarine operations, secure. Strategic deterrence, maintained. Pacific control, American. This is undersea warfare. This is silent victory. This is domain dominance. Chinese response, likely quiet. Public admission, embarrassing. Technology loss, significant. Investment, wasted. Program, questioned. But, development continues. More drones, better stealth, improved AI. This is arms race. This is technology competition. This is ongoing challenge. U.S. adaptation, enhanced sensors, better algorithms, improved training, continued investment. Technological edge, maintained. This is perpetual vigilance. This is constant improvement. This is American standard. According to naval analysts, underwater domain, increasingly contested. Chinese investment, substantial. Capability, growing. But, U.S. advantage, still decisive. Technology, training, experience, all superior. This engagement proves continued dominance, but complacency dangerous, investment essential, readiness critical. Drop your prediction. Will China expand drone fleet? Can U.S. maintain advantage? What's next? Underwater warfare. Navy SHIELD wants to know. The submarine warfare. Excellence. USS Connecticut crew. 134 sailors, officers, enlisted, chiefs, all volunteers, all trained. Years preparation. Submarine school. Prototype training. Nuclear power. Tactical operations. Warfare exercises. This is elite force. This is professional excellence. This is American capability. Captain, Commander James Chen, 44 years old, Washington State, Naval Academy, Chinese American, proud heritage, American service, professional warrior, combat experience, multiple deployments, intelligence operations, special missions, classified actions, decorated officer, respected leader, crew trust, absolute. This is submarine commander. This is underwater expertise. Sonar team, petty officers, sonar technicians, submarine qualified, years experience, acoustic analysis, target classification, tracking expertise. This is specialized skill. This is critical capability. This is detection advantage. Weapons team, fire control technicians, torpedo operations, target solutions, launch procedures. This is combat readiness. This is strike capability. Engineering, nuclear trained, reactor operations, propulsion systems. Electrical generation, silent running. This is submarine heart. This is power source. This is endurance factor. Navigation, quartermaster. Electronic navigation, inertial systems, underwater positioning. This is precision seamanship. This is submarine art. This is crew excellence. This is team coordination. This is why missions succeed. Training investment, personnel selection, professional development, continuous improvement. This is American military. This is why we're best. This is sustained advantage, real conflicts, real consequences, real coverage. This is Navy SHIELD, the Chinese UUV program. Future, this loss, setback temporary. Development continues. Investment increasing. Technology advancing. Next generation, anticipated, improved stealth, better sensors, longer endurance, swarm capability, multiple drones, coordinated operations, network enabled. This is future threat. This is coming challenge. This is strategic competition. U.S. response planning, counter UUV systems, detection improvements, engagement protocols, new weapons, directed energy, electromagnetic, cyber attack, network disruption. This is innovation. This is adaptation. This is American advantage maintained. International implications, underwater domain, increasingly important, commerce, communications, cables, resources, minerals, energy, all underwater. Control, strategic, surveillance, critical. This is new frontier. This is contested space. This is competition arena. Allied cooperation, Japan, Australia, UK, Canada, all concerned, all investing, submarine forces, UUV programs, sensor networks, intelligence sharing. This is alliance strength. This is collective security. This is coalition advantage. The bottom line final. This 4-hour hunt proves U.S. Navy underwater warfare superiority absolute. Chinese drone, destroyed. Intelligence, collected. Technology, assessed. Threat, eliminated. Submarine, Undetected. Crew, professional. Mission, perfect. This is American undersea dominance. This is submarine force excellence. This is strategic advantage maintained. Pacific Ocean, U.S. controlled. Underwater domain, American superiority. Future challenges, prepared for. Mission complete. Drone destroyed. Pacific secured. Advantage maintained. Will underwater competition intensify? Can U.S. maintain technological edge? What's next? Submarine warfare. Drop analysis below. Subscribe Navy Shield, where real conflicts meet real coverage, where military operations become breaking news. This is Navy Shield. Real submarines, real threats, real victories, underwater warfare, American dominance, silent service. Thank you watching. Stay vigilant, stay strong, stay American. Hoo-yah Navy. Run silent, run deep, stay deadly.